Pika, I got you a new tablet. There you go. Are you going to get yourself some new birdseed on it? Yes? Yes? No? Yes? What will you do? Look, here's your tablet. Do you know your password? I think you have to make a new password. Oh, you're trying to log in, aren't you? Look, you logged in. Now you have to go to Google. Do you know how to do that? You're trying. You're trying. Then you have to type in www.youtube.com and maybe you should look up a video of Cal Charlotte. Yeah. Oh, and then maybe you should find yourself some birdseed. Because did you drop your computer? Do you know how expensive they are? Oh, I got you back your computer. I mean, tablet, whatever. Car, are you purposely trying to push it off? How are you going to get some birdseed if you push it all off? Car, do you really not want birdseed? I thought you loved birdseed. Car. She doesn't want birdseed. Car, are you feeling okay? Are you feeling okay? I don't think you are. Car? Wait, do you want it again? Is that why you're going to the edge? Do you want it again? Okay, I'll get it. Okay. Got your computer again. You're going to try and log into Google again? Log into Google. Yeah, you're doing it. Oh. I think you gotta put your password in, Picard. Picard, it would be really easier if you just told me what this password was and I could enter it for you. Then I could eventually, get the birdseed. Look, Picard, I'll sign in for you. Picard. Oh, look, she wants to take it into her own hands. Good, Picard. Look how hard she's trying. Aww. She really wants to subscribe to Cal Charlotte and get that bird seed. Don't you? Yeah. Picard, you only turned it on. You're not even on Google. You know what? Maybe I should teach Picard how to use her. You know what? Yeah, I'll teach Picard how to use electronics.